Hello sir, I am Joey Lamoste with my partner Aaron Fragata, and we're about to discuss the compartmentation and how this affects watertight integrity. First, I will discuss the compartmentation. Compartmentation refers to the division of a space, building, or ship into separate smaller sections or compartments, often for the purpose of fire safety or limiting the spread of water damage. So, if you say compartmentation, nag-refers na siya sa division ng kada lugar, building man or barko into separate smaller sections or compartments. So, ang purpose ani niya kay para sa mga fire safety o malimitan sa speed if na madamage sa barko. Malimitan ang speed sa pagsulod sa mga tubig if na damage. And
Hello sir, my name is Aaron Bagatan. I'm going to discuss how compartmentation affect water integrity. Compartmentation significant affects a ship water integrity by limiting the spread of water increase, damage, or floating hers breakdown. Watertight bulkhead ship are divided into multiple watertight compartments by bulkheads walls. These bulkheads prevent water from flooding the entire vessel's compartment. Each breach even section of the hull comprises the damage it contained within the specific compartment. Reducing flooding without compartment, a single hole, the hole could lead the entire ship. Ensure that even with significant damage, only a limited area is affected, allowing the ship to remaining float and potentially be salvaged. Stability by controlling the distribution of water within the vessel's compartmentation helps maintain stability, preventing lessening or capsizing. Even the water increase, the ship center gravity remains relatively stable. Damage control compartment facilities effective damage control operation. Crews can focus their effort on containing the flooding with specific area rather than widespread inundation. Watertight doors and other closure system help isolate affected areas further. Safety. The primary benefits its enhanced safety for passenger and crew. Compartmentation significant reduce the risk of catastrophic sinking, even giving more time for evacuation or rescue. Types of compartment. The design and numbers of compartments vary depending on the shape, size, type, and intended purpose. Different compartments may have specific purpose, such as cargo holds, engine rooms, or passenger areas, each with its own watertight integrity measures.